Hello everyone, welcome to Style by My Fashion YouTube page once again. Today I would like to teach you guys how to make this trending design of this beautiful blue and white fabric. So if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this perfect result for this design, and then in a separate video I will show you how to make the sleeve design that you can see here. So for this one, I'll show you how to achieve this front design, how I joined the blue and the white together to achieve this. So without wasting much time, we'll get into it. So if you watch close, you will see that this is just the normal way of cutting kaftan. You can see that I cut both the front and the back of the kaftan in the normal way that you cut it. And then this is how I achieved the place where I cut that. That is 39 inches. I had already taken out the 2 inches folding from the down. So the full length of what's left is 39 inches. You divide that into 2. 39 inches divided by 2 is 19 and a half. So now I'm going to mark that 19 and a half, which is the center of the front. Now I'm going to add extra 4 inches to the down, because I'm going to fold that place. So that is me adding extra 4 inches. So now you just erect a line at that point. Erect a line so that you'll be able to cut it out. Just erect a line so that you can cut it out. So you can see this is me dividing the front parts, only the front part of the kaftan. I'm going to divide it into 2, and that is what I'm doing now. Yeah, so you can see that this is the down parts. You can actually keep that and use that for something else. So now I'll show you this close up. This is the front parts of the fabric, and that's how I'm going to fold it, like so. Yes, and then from that place I'll apply the white fabric underneath it. So just take note, you mark your full length of the front kaftan, you take out the 2 inches for the down folding, and then what's left of the length of the dress, you divide it into 2, and then you add 4 inches or 4.5 or 5, so that you can fold it inside. So this is just basically how to achieve that. Then next, you're going to also cut your white fabric. So this is after I cut the white fabric, and then the rest goes. So after cutting the white fabric, I tried to place this to see what it will look like. So you can see that folding that I did, that is the folding there, and this is the white fabric underneath it. So what is left for us to do now is for us to weave this place, weave the white fabric and weave the blue fabric as well, and then you're going to take it to the machine and stitch them together. Yes, don't forget this folding, this overlapping. It looks like a flap, something that is flying. So you just weave that and join them at the machine. So this is after joining it at the sewing machine. You can see that line. I forgot to weave mine, but I have to weave yours, please. Now weave them separately so that you can open press it. Yes, open press this place. After joining it, you open press it in order to achieve clean and perfect results. So we're going to open press this place now. And this is after ironing it. This is after ironing it. You can see that the fabric is now very smooth. You see how I compressed it, and it looks clean. This is before applying the gum, because we're going to apply the gum inside this flap that is opening here. We'll apply hemming gum to make it stay, and the size of that flap should be around 3 inches. 3 inches looks nice, so you can use 3 inches, but if you want it smaller you can go for 2.5 or 2 inches depending on what you want. So now this is after applying the gum. You can see that the fabric looks more hard now. It looks stronger now. I had applied the gum with good ironing. So I hope you can see this. Now from this point, after doing this, what is left for you, you pick up your front fabric, join to the back of your clothes, and go ahead and sew it just like every other normal kaftan. Just sew it just the same way you sew every other normal kaftan. And then the other thing you just need to do is cut your pocket. Your pocket should be white fabric. And then chest pocket, your chest pocket should be of white fabric, so that you can apply that on it. And also your piping should be white fabric. The neck piping is also white fabric. So once you do that, you've achieved the results. I'm going to show you how to make the sleeve in the next video, so please stay tuned. Also subscribe, like and share. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you. See you in the next video.